Hi, this is Leung back with G Live. Hope you are doing well and having a great time because guess what? The weekend is upon us. Okay, so with all of that, I hope that you are preparing yourself for a wonderful weekend. But if you are a part of our community, you may have noticed that a couple different exciting things are definitely gonna be happening. And that is why you should be joining us as often as you can so that you are involved in all of our launches, in all of our promotions, in all of our tutorials, especially as we show you live right here how to do a lot of different cool things. So if you are joining us live, give us a hashtag live. If you're joining us on the replay, give us a hashtag replay. Now, yesterday on this exact show right here, what we did is we announced not only a new video background settings within your GroovePages, but we also talked about a brand new gift, a template, a bonus of sort that you can access right away if you wanted to, and it looks something like this. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you so that you can take a look at an idea on how this might actually looks like. And as you can see, this is the video background that we are talking about. Now, of course, if you want to check this out for yourself, I'm going to go ahead and paste this URL into the actual screen for you right now. Okay. Yes, it is a little bit long. We didn't shorten it. This is the actual page that it's at, but it's not really for you to use. Not as the way that it is. It's not for you to look at it. It's not for you to really to sign up. It's for you to model after. And in fact, if you want this template for yourself, well, let me know first of all, do you think that it looks cool? I think that it does, right? Do you want it? Do you actually want me to show you how to use it? Maybe in this actual live session, in a tutorial, in a live demo, because after we showed it to you yesterday, we actually got a lot of people in a lot of different groups, in a lot of different communities, leaving comments, chatting, and having different issues with different kinds of things saying, hey, can I change the video in the background? How can I customize the link? How can I do all these different things? And while I'm not gonna go too much in depth, I want to actually know I want you to know how you can use it and how you can actually use this to promote a very cool upcoming free live mini course if you want. So if this is something that you want, type in the word demo inside of the comments. And while I wait for these comments to actually come in, I want to show you just a little bit about this actual template itself. As you can see, this is the video background that we've been talking about, and that's because the background on its own is actually moving, right? This is not an animated GIF. It's not some kind of things going haywire or wrong. It's an actual video that's being played in the background. And just so that you know, yes, this can be any video that you want. Now, the basis of this particular template, obviously you can use this for whatever template that you want. You can use this to promote whatever it is that you want. But if you're curious on what this one is about, as you can see, this one is on an actual mini course that I personally am scheduled to be conducting next weekend on Saturday, okay? And it's gonna be on the topic of how to promote affiliate marketing for free with or without a website. So if this is something that you are also interested in, by the way, you can go to this page right now if you wanted to and actually check out what this is all about. Click on this link to register. Although in just a short while, I will tell you how you can also be earning money with this as well, using your own affiliate link, using your version of this exact same template that you see on the screen right now, and how you can actually customize it for yourself. But as you can see, just like what you're seeing right now, your people, whenever you promote this to them, they will see this free live mini course. If you have any type of product or service that you want to sell online, you need to know the best ways to promote them. That's what this mini course is all about, helping you to sell. Now, of course, if this is just any traditional, hey, click on this, register over here, I will just using the main link. I will just tell you to register right here, right now. But again, this is all designed for you, okay? It's designed for you to promote this to your people so that you can share the love, share the value, and have other people also benefit through the advantages of what we have through our Groove community, because now you're actually sharing value and helping other people as well. But what's going to happen is anytime somebody actually clicks on this button over here and they click on register now, for example, okay, what that's going to do is it's going to redirect to the main page of the actual registration. And of course, depending on your own affiliate link, depending on your internet speed and all those things, mine is a little bit slow right now. So that's why it takes a little bit longer to load. However, on the right machine for the right people, it's going to load fairly quickly. And so with all of that, there's not going to be any issues. Okay, so the point is we want to take them to this page. And now when you're using your affiliate link, and by the way, I will show you exactly how you can do that in this very tutorial, okay? In this very same live show that you're watching right now, you're gonna send people to this page, except this time it is gonna get linked to your site. It's gonna link to your page with your affiliate ID so that whenever people fill out this form, they register for the event. And when they finally sign up for their free account, when we show them how to during the actual event itself, the mini course itself that's scheduled to be happening next week, okay, then you are going to get credits. And for some of you, you may or may not know, and we're not going to get into this right now, but Groove is actually going to have a launch at the end of August. And so now is a good time for you to get as many people into the ecosystem as much as possible. And I'll tell you, there is no better way than to promote free stuff, free classes, free mini courses, just like this one, because you're literally promoting and sharing value that they are not, and I repeat, they are not gonna get anywhere else. We will be showing them step by step. Last week, if you somehow missed it, we showed our folks exactly what it is that they can do to build a one-page site, a simple site that also helps them to make affiliate marketing commissions. That one, unfortunately, the live version at least, is past and gone, okay? So with all of these mini courses, we only plan on doing them live, at least for the current time, only one time, because there's so many topics that we want to do that it doesn't make sense for us to go back and forth again and again on the same topic, when the next time we can give you additional opportunities to promote a brand new topic and for you to learn a brand new subject as well, and for us to continue creating our archives for brand new topics and subjects that we eventually want to share. Okay, so with that, this next one that's going to be happening is going to be on the topic of how to promote affiliate marketing for free with or without a website, which is perfect for anybody in our community who wants to make money. Do you agree? If you agree, type in the word agree. Now, going back to where I was sharing with you earlier, okay, what I want is to show you in just a short while how it is that you can actually get your hands on this actual template that we showed you moments ago. Once again, it looks pretty cool, right? Now, before I show you actually how you can do that, which by the way, if you somehow missed our session yesterday, when we initially announced it for the very first time, definitely go back and watch it, because we're gonna give you a preview of everything that you need to know, including the actual announcement itself. So very, very important stuff before we actually let you into the actual tutorial itself. We're gonna go into the comments. We're gonna say hi to just a few of you, because time is short. We don't want this to be like an hour or too long. This is supposed to be short and sweet. And so I'm just gonna say hi to a few of you whom I see right here. I see Nidhi saying hi. Good morning. I believe join us from YouTube. Great to see you. We also have Annie, who is saying hashtag live. Great to see you as well. Queen Bees saying hashtag live. Robbie Mack, join us once again, saying thank you. You're very welcome. And then Nidhi is saying agree. And then we also have Tyra saying hashtag live, listening as I drive back to the house. Make sure that, of course, you make sure, Tyra, that you're being safe. Okay, try not to look at the screen or multitask too many things at the same time, because driving and safety is your priority. Nidhi is saying, I have purchased GrooveFunnels 2020, but I don't know how to sell it. Well, Nidhi, you are at the right place and at the right time. Although I would probably say that if you had started all the way back in 2020, you should maybe have been a little bit farther ahead than what you are right now, because we have plenty of people who only joined this year. In fact, 1 or 2 months ago, Annie included, and she's been learning, she's been absorbing, she's been taking action. And so just because you don't know how to do something, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't that you should stop there, that you shouldn't take the steps that you need to learn. Of course, it's never too late. Now is definitely a good time, but if you've already previously invested, you're fully invested, you should definitely take that time to invest in yourself and to learn this, because if you want to make money with the system, what better way than to sell it all at once as well, okay? And then we have another Facebook user who has joined us saying, hi there, I'm working and listening. And another Facebook user saying, hi, me too, lots of work, and I will turn on the banner so that for those of you who are joining us brand new for the first time or have not yet activated an authorized StreamYard to show you on Facebook or vice versa, then what you need to do is find the authorization link inside the ticker so that the next time that you're actually leaving a comment, okay, like this, we can actually see who you are. We can see, you know, your name. We can see your smiling faces, just like how we're able to see Robbie over here, and just like how we're able to see Annie over here. We want to see you as well. Queen Bees is also saying hi, everyone. So make sure that, of course, you are here and that you are interacting, engaging, and that we can also see you are. Just like how we can see Annie, we can see her nice smile on her picture, right? Because she's authorized Facebook to be shown on StreamYard. So with that, let's go ahead and move on a little bit into what we want to do here today. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and paste this into the comments so that you can actually see this inside of the chat, or as I show this to you on the screen. The way that you're going to access this template is if you go to facebook.com/groups/GrooveAsiaCM. Bear with me, of course, for those of you who already know this stuff, who joined us yesterday, because we have plenty of people who will be watching this and join us, whether hashtag live or hashtag on the replay, for the very first time. And it is important for us to walk them through all the steps step by step so that they do not get confused. Once you go to facebook.com/groups/GrooveAsiaCM, assuming that you're already a member. Of course, if you're not a member, come over here to the page that you see on the screen right now. Join, right? Request to be approved to join this group. And once you're inside, you will see a lot of different announcements, bonuses, tutorials, videos, and lots of other cool stuff that you will get as a community to support you in your path to making money online with Groove, on how to promote Groove and all those great things, okay? Now, of course, we're not gonna have time to actually go through every single benefit that you will get as a result of joining this group, but as you can see, as you scroll down, the live stream that you're watching right now is also being live streamed on this group right here, inside of this group, as well as some additional YouTube, as well as this Facebook group exclusive content that you're not going to be able to find anywhere else. So we definitely recommend that you join us and do whatever it is that you can right here inside of this group. But as you can see, yet another huge benefit right here, okay, you can see new video templates. Promote the upcoming mini course, limited time only. This was posted only 20 hours ago. And a lot of times we do provide a lot of time sensitive, time limited type of bonuses that you're only going to get within 24 hours or 48 hours of when it's actually posted. So that's why it's important for you to join us inside of these groups. Join us on YouTube, on our Facebook page. Turn on those notifications, because once these actually expire, we take them off the shelf, off the market. Unfortunately, this means that they're no longer able to be accessed. So the good news is, if you're joining us hashtag live, or hopefully not too long after the hashtag live on the hashtag replay, then this would still be available. Now, unfortunately, if it's no longer available, then you'll just have to make do with what is available. But that's why, of course, Another reason why you want to turn on those notifications. But as you can see over here, new video template, promote the upcoming mini course, limited time only, the same mini course that I was just telling you about on how you can learn how to do, all sorts of stuff with affiliate marketing promotions that's scheduled for next week. Now you have the opportunity to promote this as well. Want a new template to promote the upcoming mini course on affiliate marketing? For a limited time only, you can access this exclusive bonus created by fellow Groove Asia member Wooly, as well as inspired by Nicholas, who is another one of our Groove Asia leaders. Okay, as you can see over here, the video background homepage preview. This was what we showed you moments ago. This is the preview of the actual page, and as you can see in real time as I'm doing this, it's scheduled to happen in about 7 days. Okay, this countdown is absolutely real, which means that once this hits 0, that is when we are scheduled to go live for this exact mini course. That's why this urgency is absolutely real and something that you should be mindful of. Simply make your own changes, including customizing it with your own affiliate link, okay? That's the only thing that you need to do if you want, and I'll show you exactly how you can do it. The way that you'll be able to use this is when you copy, okay, this exact URL right here. Do not just click on it, okay? Once again, I repeat, do not just click on it, because this is on Facebook, and every time that you click on something on Facebook, okay, even though this is just the link right here, once you click on this, Facebook is going to add some type of a tracking ID at the end of the URL, which makes the original URL no longer the same, and in this case, it will make your URL no longer accessible, okay? So what you need to do is you need to copy this, okay? Copy this exact URL, and what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to now go inside of your Groove account. This is your Groove account. And by the way, if you are brand new, you're watching us from somewhere else, you somehow found this video, have no idea what Groove is all about, go to GrooveAsia.cm, okay? Once again, GrooveAsia.cm. You'll be able to see that in the ticker, GrooveAsia.cm. You'll also be able to see either in the description above or below you, depending on when and where you're actually watching us, or maybe even on the layout, the graphic overlay on the actual screen itself, GrooveAsia.cm. That's where you're gonna want to go to sign up for your 100% free Groove account. And once you're inside, you got your username, you got your password, you're logged in. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. And what you want to do, the same URL that you had just copied right here inside of our group, facebook.com/groups/GrooveAsiaCM. Now, since you're right here at GrooveAsia.cm, and I'll type that in just for good sake, okay, so that you can actually see what it is, where it's all about. GrooveAsia.cm is where you want to go to sign up for your free account. Once you do that, you will be able to log in, and once you're logged in, you will see this dashboard. The only thing that you need to do in order for you to replicate this exact funnel, replicate this exact page, and use this template all for yourself is to paste in inside of the URL the exact same URL that you have just copied. Okay, so as you can see right up here on the page, this is what we just copied directly on Facebook. Okay, on the actual post that you'll be able to find inside of our Facebook group, our Groove Asia Facebook group. And once you copy that, you paste this inside of your URL, paste this inside of your browser. Okay, and once you do that, click on enter, return, whatever it says on your actual keyboard. And as you can see, depending on how fast your computer is, depending on how fast your Wi-Fi is and everything, you will see that this actual tool is going to load. GroovePages is going to load. And now you can see this template is automatically loaded into your builder, okay? For all intents and purposes, you do not need to make any changes to this if you don't want to. The countdown timer is already there. is set to Saturday at 8 p.m. Malaysian time, the exact time that this is going to start. So, of course, if you're going to be using this to promote the mini course, you don't need to make any changes to this particular countdown, okay? Right up here, how to promote affiliate marketing for free with or without a website. This is the headline, okay? You don't need to change this if you don't want to, right? Actually, all of the copy has been pre-written for you, in which if you are using this to promote the live mini course that's happening next week, you don't need to make any changes if you don't want to, okay? The image over here, I think it looks nice, right? If you don't want to, you also don't need to make any changes. So first and foremost, I will show you if you do want to make some small, preliminary, tiny little changes, the only thing or things that you will want to make changes for, okay? That one change, of course, is your affiliate link. Right now, as you saw moments ago, okay, this is the actual live page. Once you actually click on this link right here, it will take you to somebody else's affiliate link, or maybe to the main page itself. What we want now is, of course, for you, when you're promoting this, and it's your own page, whenever people click on this, this will now redirect them to your own affiliate link. Does that make sense? If that makes sense, type in the word "makes sense" inside of the comments. So how is it that you're actually going to be able to get your affiliate link? Well, what I want to direct your attention to, it doesn't matter if you sign up through Groove. It doesn't matter if you sign up through GrooveAsia. It doesn't matter if you're a free member, a platinum member. It doesn't matter any of those things, okay? Everybody, and this means that it applies to everybody, you need to go to grooveasia.cn/JV, okay? Once again, that's grooveasia.cn/JV. You're wondering if this will work for you because of X, Y, and Z? Go to grooveasia.cn/JV and find out for yourself, okay? Because once you go to grooveasia.cn/JV, you will see this page. It looks very similar to the regular Groove JV page, but make no mistake, it is very, very different, okay? Because if you are going to be promoting our mini course, grooveasia.cn/JV is the only place where you will be able to find the actual page itself, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and go to grooveasia.cn/JV, and you should do the exact same thing. If you're not logged in, okay, what you saw moments ago is grooveasia.cn/JV asking you to log in, okay? So make sure that you log in with your very own Groove account. Once you're logged in, you refresh the page, or maybe you just log in directly in the widget. What you're going to see is the promotional tools right here, okay? What you're looking for is you want to see where it says links right over here. And the reason why I say it's not going to work if you go to Groove JV, if you go somewhere else, is because the one URL, the affiliate link that you are looking for, is the one that says free affiliate promotions mini course, okay? Free affiliate promotions mini course. If you are promoting a link other than the one that says free affiliate promotion mini course, then you are promoting the wrong link. You're going to see the wrong page. You're not going to be able to use this template in the exact same way that it's intended to, because you are using the wrong affiliate link, okay? So what you need to do, once again, go to grooveasia.cn/JV. Once you're there, go to links. This is the affiliate link that you're going to want to use. Either copy this by clicking on Control or Command C, depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac, or you can simply right click and go to copy, or you can click on this button right here, okay? This one is the copy button. So now it's successfully copied to your clipboard. What you just did is you just copied your affiliate link, okay? Just to give you a rundown. Once you're over here, and let's say that you go to the actual affiliate link itself, you will see that this link will redirect you to a page that should look very familiar to you, right? This is the page that we just saw. This is the page that promotes the how to promote affiliate marketing for free mini course. So again, the only way that you'll be able to get your affiliate link for this particular page is if you go to grooveasia.cn/JV and use the affiliate link that says free affiliate promotions mini course. Once you've done that, what we want to do is we want to go back to our builder. Okay, this is our GroovePages builder. And if you scroll through the entire thing, you will actually see that there's not too many things that you need to customize. All of these are pre-written for you. You don't need to make a change to it if you don't want. All of these, again, all done for you. You don't need to make a single change if you don't want. The one place or the one thing that you need to make a change on is your affiliate link. And yes, there will be a couple different areas where you can potentially make this change. First and foremost, the most obvious one right here, right, is the register now button. Once you click on register now, you will see that the menu on the right side of the screen is going to pop up, right? Over here, you're going to see right here that says button. This is telling you that this is the element that's being selected, register now, okay? You will see an option over here to click on configure. Once you click on configure, you will see that right here, register now is the actual text. So that's why it says register now over here. If you somehow want to change it to register today or secure your seat or whatever else, all you need to do is change the text right here appropriately, click on update, and the changes will be reflected on the button itself. Now, because we want to focus on a task at hand, right? We were telling you, you don't need to make any changes if you don't want to, okay? The only thing that you need to change is right here where it says URL, because right now, the default takes you to the main page without an affiliate link, okay? What you want to do, since we just copied our affiliate link from grooveasia.cm/JV, what you want to do now is you want to paste this in, okay? Click on Control V or Command V, right click, click on the paste option, okay? And as you can see, the exact same URL that I just copied is now pasted into the section affiliate.grooveasia.cm, okay? This is my affiliate link. This whole thing right here, this is my affiliate link. That's all you need to do, okay? For this, we are done. Click on update. So now our button, register now, this button has actually been edited already. Now, this is our affiliate link. Now, just so that you know, if that's all you want to do, that's perfectly fine. However, if we go back to the actual page itself, what you see over here is something called a countdown timer, okay? As you can see, it's counting down 7 days, 16 hours, 2 minutes, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, etc. But when you click on the actual timer itself, what you'll see is now it selects the timer, right? And over here, the countdown timer is now the element that you've selected. Whatever changes that you want to make on the timer, you will be able to make those changes over here. And if you click on configure, okay, first and foremost, you will see that this type has been changed to fixed. It's counting down until August 7th at 8 p.m. Again, my local time. So with all of that, over here, you're going to see that this has already been set. If you want to make changes to it later, you obviously can. But again, this is not what we're talking about here today. What we're talking about here today is a customization of your URL. And as you can see, when countdown reaches 0, it's going to be selected to go to a URL, a web page. Now, of course, if you don't want this, you can simply select this at the drop-down menu, okay, and select do nothing. Okay, my face looks like it's in the way so that you cannot actually see this. Let me go ahead and move this temporarily to over here. And now you're able to see this a little bit better, right? The drop-down menu, you have the option to do nothing, okay? Which means that once this hits 0, it will just be at 0 the entire time. The countdown timer will still be there. It will just say 0 and everything else looks the same, okay? So that's what happens when you select do nothing. However, as you can see, by default, it was changed to go to URL, right? So if you want this to redirect to your affiliate link, after this actually hits 0, you can do that as well. So over here, you can select this entire thing right here, Control V or Command V, right? Now, once this timer actually hits 0, which means that it's now Saturday, 10 p.m., 11 p.m., 11:30, it's now Sunday, 12 a.m. next week, right? Once people come to this page, because the countdown timer has already expired, it will automatically redirect them somewhere else. All right, so with that, this is the other option that you can choose if you want them to be redirected, or if you say, hey, I put in a lot of work to make the changes and customize this actual template. I want people to continue to see this. Then the other option that you have is right here where it says do nothing. Okay, so for me, let's just say that's the way that I want to keep it at. I will select do nothing, and now I will click on update. Okay, so now whenever somebody comes to this page, it doesn't matter when. It can be a week from now. It can be 2 weeks from now, a month from now, 6 months from now, a year from now. They will just see a 000 timer, unless, of course, we plan another one. You want to refix it, set another date and time, 10 minutes, whatever else, right? All those different types of tutorials we'll talk about somewhere else. In fact, on YouTube, I believe on our YouTube channel, you will find a video on a tutorial on how you can edit all these different timers. So for this particular live show, we just simply want to show you the tutorial on how you can edit this to promote your mini course. Okay, so with that, we made the change over there. And one more thing, this is optional for every single image that you have on your screen. Okay, let me show you. If you click on this image over here, once again, you will see right here, there's different options for you to make changes to it. Click on configure as you normally would. If you want to replace this image, simply click on choose image over here, upload a brand new image, find something else online. You can do whatever, simply replace that. But what you'll see is another option right here. Okay, it says link to. Right now, by default, it's linked to none, which means that when people come to this actual page over here, they click on the image, nothing happens, right? If you want it so that when people click on this image, this will actually take them to your affiliate link. You have the option by selecting URL. And once you select URL, you will be able to paste in your affiliate link once again. You can click on open in a new tab as an option or leave it by default. It's up to you. And then click on update. Okay, so now whenever somebody actually clicks on this, okay, this is gonna send them directly to the page itself. But as you can see, sometimes when you do these kinds of stuff, the formatting kind of gets messed up. And so for me, I don't want to spend the time to fix it right now. So for all intents and purposes, I'm going to click on the undo button over here. Okay, I just wanted to show you really quickly how it is that you can make that change if you wanted to, but we're going to undo it because it's going to take so much more time for us to make all these different changes, and it's going to be, taking us way too long. So with that, I will just leave it by default for now, so that this is the only thing that we change. Now, if you want to make any other changes, just so that you know, you can simply, like, let's say, for example, change this from how to promote affiliate marketing for free to how to promote affiliate products for free. The cool thing about GroovePages, which is the builder that we're using right now, is that it really literally is point and click, copy and paste, type, click, scroll, drag and drop, whatever. If you can use Microsoft Word or Docs or Google Docs or whatever else, you can make changes to this whatever you want. So that is an option. If you do want to make changes, simply click on the element that you want to make changes to, and then make the changes. Again, I want to show that to you just so that you will know exactly what it takes to make all these different changes. I'm going to undo it for those of you who are interested in only making that one change, which is your affiliate URL. Okay, and then one more thing that I do want to show you right before we actually publish this. We mentioned that this is a video background, right? Which means that this video in the background over here, once you actually click on it, there's a couple things that you can do, okay? Now, what you'll see at the bottom, and let me turn off this banner really quickly so that you can actually see maybe what I see as well. I'll also turn off this comment over here, and then maybe I'll move this back because I'm trying to show you something that just so happens to be at the bottom left side of the corner of the page, which you can't actually see right now because it's an overlay. This says video background. Let me try and see how I can turn off my name over here. Can we do that? Yes, show display names. There you go. All right, so as you can see right down here, okay, there's let's click on that again. okay, there's actually a few different things that you see right in the back. If you click all the way to the block level, which means that this entire block, the way that this video background is activated is right here on the side of the menu. You will see where it says background, right? Once you click on background, right over here, you will see where it says use video background. Okay, this is a brand new addition into GroovePages that just got activated within the last few days. This was not here before, okay? And that's why yesterday we announced it. We said, hey, this is a very cool thing. You can use videos as a background now. Officially, it is now a setting right here at the block level, okay? So again, you need to make sure that the entire block is selected. And right here, the reason why we see the video in the background is because use video background has been activated. If we click on that, the radio button to deactivate it, you will see that the background video is gone, right? If you click on it again, okay, now you'll see the video is playing in the background again. So this is how you would actually activate the background video. And if you want to actually select the background, like right in the middle, click on the actual video itself. What you will see over here, and let me see if this is a different layout, a different element over here. You need to click on the actual background right here. Let me see if I can do that again. Is that it? There you go. So I need to click on the side over here, like depending on whether or not some of the stuff has been covering or not. But apparently right here, okay, this thing right here, and I messed it up again. Okay, so right here on the side, you need to make sure when you click on it, this says video overlay, okay? Once you actually selected the actual element itself, okay? It might take a few tries just because there's so many elements on this page, but you wanna be selecting the actual one that says video overlay. And once you've done that, you will see that the right menu over here also says video overlay. And once it says video overlay, you can now click on configure. And as you can see, once you click on configure, okay, this is where you can select the video type. And right now, by default, we are on YouTube, which means that we're using a YouTube video. But if you click on the drop-down menu over here, you will see a few different options here for you as well. From Vimeo, you can choose one on Wistia. You can choose one that you've uploaded onto Groove Video or somebody else uploaded on Groove Video. It doesn't really matter. And the way that you're actually going to play this video in the background is by typing in the YouTube video ID over here. So if you want to somehow change the background of this image, of this particular template, or any other template for that matter, okay, this is where you will be able to change that. So if, let's say, for example, I'm going to copy this first in case I lose this, because I want to show you an example on exactly how it is that you can do that without missing it or losing this actual video ID. Let's say that I want to go to YouTube now. Okay, this is YouTube. If, let's say, I want to find my video on, I don't know, keynote speaker, for example. Okay, if, let's say, I choose this one and I want this video to be playing in the background for whatever reason, okay, what's going to happen is at the top of the page, and you can't really see this right now, but I'm going to drag just for you, I'm going to drag this down just a little bit, okay? You can see that right here in the URL, there is a video ID, okay? This is for every single YouTube video. They will actually have this. So at the end of the URL of the video that you want to use, what you want to do is you want to copy this actual code, okay? Once you copy that, this is the code that GroovePages is going to need in order for you to play this actual video over here. Okay, so let's say I want this video in the background. I just copied the video ID. I'm going to go back over here and I will replace this video ID with the video ID of the video that I want to use. Click on updates. Okay, and as you can see, now the background of the video has changed with the video that you actually want to play. Okay, so obviously you don't need to use my video if you don't want to. And by the way, if you want to check out another video that we created called Freedom Day, just do a search for Simon Leung Freedom Day. Okay, and we have another template that of course is talking all about Freedom Day. And if, let's say, once again, I want to use this actual video, all you gotta do is copy the video ID right over here. As you can see at the top of the page, we're gonna move this back in place, and I am going back to my page builder over here. And if now I replace this with the actual video ID that we just copied, the Freedom Day, and I click on update, okay, what you're gonna see is that the Freedom Day video is now gonna automatically play. So in other words, whatever video ID that you type in over here will play in the background of your video. So yes, you definitely do have 100% control of what video you want to change. All right, now, because I don't want any of those, I just want this to be the default one. I'm gonna go ahead and paste this one back in, okay? Click on update, and now, as you can see, everything is back to normal. All right, so just wanted to show you that really quickly in case that you really do want to make some changes to your video background. I just wanted to make sure that you also understand how you can actually do it. But as you recall, again, in summary, the only thing that you would actually have to do, because everything is pre-done for you, the countdown timer, the copy, all of the headlines and all the bullet points, everything is done for you already. The only thing that you need to do right now is to change the register now button to your affiliate link. So if you don't want to do anything else, that's the only thing that you would need to make changes on. Of course, if you want to explore other things, perfectly fine. But for some of you, we understand you want things to be kept as simple as possible. And so with that, we want to make it as simple as possible for you as well. Okay, so simply make the change over here as what we just showed you. Also, if you want to make changes to a URL over here, okay, you can do that as well. You can make the changes to URL over here in the countdown timer. Make sure that you watch this tutorial again if you need to, this live demo again if you need to, in order for you to maybe get more out of it if you somehow missed it the first time around. All right, so for all intents and purposes, our page is done. It's been done for us in the first place. It's a template, right? If all you wanted to do is come over here and make this one change to the affiliate URL, that's all you need to do. The next thing you need to do is to click right here on where it says publish. Now, of course, if this is your first time publishing anything on GroovePages, GroovePages is going to ask you to set your subdomain. Okay, you can call it whatever you want as long as it's still available. It can be your name, your company name, your product name, your nickname, your brand name, whatever other name that you want. Okay, it doesn't matter. Choose one of your liking. After you've already done that, you've done it once, you don't need to do that anymore. Right now, as you can see, it's already been set to GroovePages subdomain by default, which is the GroovePages one. Okay, mine is set at GrooveAsia. As you can see, GrooveAsia.groovepages.com. That's all there is to it with the subdomain. However, you will need to create a folder, which means that you need an actual URL for this page to be hosted on, right? So what's going to happen once you put in the folder name, okay, you see that it's at GrooveAsia.groovepages.com. It's going to be a / and then whatever it is that we type in over here. So let's say, for example, I type in affiliate marketing mini course. This is an example, okay? Then what's going to happen is the page is going to be at GrooveAsia.groovepages.com / affiliate marketing mini course, as you can see right here in the URL itself. Okay, now assuming that everything is fine and dandy, what you want to do is you want to hover over where it says websites. Once you hover this pink button, let's do that again. Okay, right here where it says website. Okay, hover over it, you'll see 3 options. The first one is to publish. That is the button that you want to click on. Okay, so go ahead and click on that. Give it a few seconds, depending on the speed of your computer, depending on the speed of GroovePages and everything else. You will then see a green box over here that says site published in progress, at which point the system is already working, is hard at work for you, and all we need to do is usually wait either a few seconds up to maybe a minute or so in case the system is running just a little bit slower, and then our site will be ready. Now, if you want to check it out, what you'll see right up here again is the full URL itself. But the cool thing is when you hover over the same pink button that we used to publish moments ago, okay, we mentioned that you should click on the one that says publish. The one in the middle actually is your option to go to the actual live page itself. Okay, so all we have to do is hover over this right here, click on the middle icon, and once you've done that, it will then open up a brand new page. And as you can see, our page is now live. I'm going to go ahead and drag this down for you. Once again, as you can see in the URL, grooveasia.groovepages.com/affiliate marketing mini course. This is the exact same page that we had just built. Okay, so as you can see, everything looks exactly the same. The only difference is that now when somebody clicks on register now, it will be taking them to your affiliate link, to your affiliate URL. And at the very top of this page now, you will see your affiliate ID. Okay. Again, do not just simply copy and paste this URL right up top here. What you want to do is you want to go to grooveasia.cm/JV. Okay. This page right here. Okay. Make sure that you, of course, are using this grooveasia.cm/JV. And I will go ahead and type that in for you one more time in case you missed it. Or for some of you who need that reminder one more time, okay, grooveasia.cm/JV. That is where you will need to get your affiliate link. It doesn't matter if you are a groove.cm member. It doesn't matter if you are within GrooveAsia. It doesn't matter if you're platinum. It doesn't matter if you're free. It doesn't matter any of that, okay? Go to grooveasia.cm/JV. It is the only place where you will be able to find this free affiliate promotions mini course affiliate URL. And once you're here, make the appropriate changes inside of your builder right here under register now, optionally inside of the countdown timer, optionally inside of the image if you want to check that out. And that is all that you need to do. If you want to customize it with your own backgrounds, with your own colors, with your own images, and make all these other changes to it, it is all 100% your choice to make. But for all of us who are just starting out, right, and you want to keep it as simple and as basic as possible, this is the only thing that you need to do is to change this to your own affiliate link. And now you will be able to promote your brand new page, and everything will be embedded with your affiliate link as well. All right, so with that, that is pretty much my live tutorial that I wanted to show you here today. As you can see, it can be very, very quick if all you're making is a few simple changes, but because I covered so many different things as options for you to check out as well if you wanted to, that's why we went a little bit longer. However, if the only thing that you want to do is to change your affiliate link, I guarantee you, you can be able to do this within just a minute or two, or however long it takes you, depending on if your Wi-Fi is slow, if your computer is slow, or whatever else. But it's a very simple process, and you can do it within just a few minutes. All right, so with that, that is pretty much my live demo, my tutorial, and the updates that I have for you here today. Before I actually let you go, we're going to go back in right there inside of the comments just to say hi to a few of you who are right here in the comments. And I'm scrolling up because it looks like we did a lot of different communications, different chats. So all good over here. We got Annie saying hello to Robbie. I believe around here is where we left off. We also have Facebook user Torita from Australia. Great to see you, and thank you for joining us. I believe this is the first time that we might have met. Nice to meet you. Welcome to our live show, and hopefully we will see more of you, especially inside of our GrooveAsia community and social media platforms as well. Nidhi is saying, I am not so much tech savvy. No worries. Believe it or not, neither am I. And very few people actually inside the group community are tech savvy. And that's why we have all these templates. That's why we have all these things are done for you. And that's why we have all these tutorials that show you step by step what changes that you need to make. So once again, as we mentioned earlier, don't let whatever you think is stopping you stop you. If you're not good at this, you need to learn that. You need to improve on something before you can get something done. Learn it, okay? And then do it. Don't use any of our weaknesses or what we can or cannot do as excuses. Those are just excuses and obstacles that stand in the way of where we want to be, okay? So if you're not tech savvy, number one, either learn how to be, or number two, despite being not tech savvy, try and see what it is that you can still do in a very simple way, such as in the exact same steps that we just showed you, okay? I'm sure you would agree what we just showed you how to do does not require you to be tech savvy at all. There is no lines of code, right? There's no programming involved. There's not even any types of graphic design. All you're doing is clicking, copy, pasting. That's all we're literally doing. If you can follow simple instructions, you can do this. So of course, this is all something that you can do. And yes, Nidhi's also saying taking time to learn it. Very cool. That is how we improve. And congratulations for taking that step as well. As we scroll down, Nidhi is also saying makes sense. And then another Facebook user is saying awesomeness. Okay, this is such a good session. Thank you very much. Michael is saying great tutorial. And then we got Jivanjot saying afternoon, made the changes, awesome. And I'll highlight this just one more time in case this is a similar question that other people have, but I will reiterate, okay? This has already been answered. And so my answer to this is watch this replay of the video again, because obviously something has been missed. Facebook user is saying if you have the paid membership, again, it doesn't matter if you're paid or not, lifetime or not, platinum or free, all of you will be taking the exact same action. Do you need a different link for each one? GrooveCM plus the Asia and the Brazil site. I don't know what it is that you're promoting, okay? But whatever it is that you need to promote, you will be able to only be able to find on that particular page. So once again, if you want to promote this actual mini course that we're doing, there is only one place that you will be able to find that. So go ahead and watch this video one more time and watch our previous videos, because all of these questions will be a lot more clearer to you. All these answers will be a lot more clearer to you as well the more times that you watch it, so that you can be more up to speed on what we're actually doing. Michael is saying great tutorial. Thank you very much. Jivanjot saying good afternoon. Make the changes. And then we also have, I'm scrolling through, Queen Bees saying thank you. Annie is also saying thank you. Nidhi is saying hi. Torita is saying, I've downloaded all the backgrounds. Yay. Very cool. Facebook user said, learned so much. Thanks, Torita. You're welcome. And then Fun Ivy is saying, definitely going to get the templates. Roof Digital Academy is saying, excellent training. Nidhi is saying, for AI, this we have to do and log in our ID. I apologize. I have no idea what you're saying. And then Groove Digital Academy is saying, thank you, Simon. You are very welcome. All right. So with that, hopefully, I know that this was a little bit long, and that's because, of course, it is a training. It's a tutorial. It's a live demo. I cannot give you a tutorial in 1 minute, in 5 minutes, or even 10 minutes, because that would not be elaborate and you will not get anything out of it. Okay. So obviously, if this is for you, then this is for you. If it's not for you, no worries. Go check out the 1 minute or less videos that we do have on the Groove YouTube channel. And, you can see if those are able to help you, then great. If not, then come back over here. We'll be more than happy to welcome you if you need these longer tutorials, because they're recorded and available for you to watch again. All right. So with that, I do want to thank you for your time here today. Congratulations, D. McCauley, for signing up, because this is obviously something that will help you along the way. And with all of that, we have so many amazing and exciting things all in store for you, including some stuff that we will be sharing this weekend. Yes, I know that it is the weekend, but as marketers, as entrepreneurs, what is a weekend anyway? I've told you this a million times. Basically, even on my birthday, I will go ahead and continue to work and make sure that we do everything that we can to improve the quality of your business, of your life, and everything along those lines. So as long as you stick with us, as long as you listen to what we say, you pay attention, okay? And obviously, all the things that we do is all designed to help you as well, including this weekend, whether on Saturday, whether on Sunday, or maybe, who knows, both. I do intend to have some additional updates for you as well. So if you are up for it, I do invite you to join us, because it's all going to help you in the 1 week or so that we have left to maximize your leads, maximize your conversions, maximize your affiliate commissions eventually, okay, into the Groove system. All right, so with that, and invite more people, of course, to our live mini course. So with that, that is all that I have for you here today. I appreciate your time. And of course, we want you to do as much as you can to start promoting right here, right now. All right, so with that, take action right now. Let me know if you have any questions. And as always, I will see you on the inside. You gotta get into the groove.